All right, so for today's video, I'm gonna give you the three most important assets that you need for you to continuously collect money in year 2026. Um, kung baga pa, kung ikaw si Batman, kompleto dapat yung utility belt mo so that you can perform well. The biggest mistake na I've noticed sa mga entrepreneurs when they enter the online arena, inuuna nila yung front end, super mahina yung back end. Walang nakalagay na ano ba to? Ano ba yung availability ng offer? Can I do self checkout? What's the fulfillment structure? Always remember that there are three things na kailangan mong um, i-follow in order, not in any order ha, in order. What do I mean by that? Offer, availability. What do I mean by this? Evergreen ba to? By batch ba to? Or by launch? Evergreen, obviously, can my customer buy this 24/7, 365? Like, these are stupid, simple thing that you forgot. Kaya, when you create content, hindi mo sila alam paano sila mapapapunta dun sa business mo kasi you don't even know where they will land. Right? Para kang piloto na walang radar. Right? Kaya hindi ka nakakapag-kolekta ng pera consistently kasi you don't even know the back-end structure ng business mo. By batch this is what we do 2026. On a monthly basis, we have these events. By batch because what we did is we campaign our events for the whole month and then collect uh, and ascend them sa upsell by the end of the month so that we know, okay, 30 days tayong magbi-build ng tawag nito, ng magbi-build ng customer list for us to offer the mid-ticket namin na offer. Very important. Frequency of buying and the perfect timing for them to ascend to your other offer. That's why we do by batch kasi that's what works for us, but we will change it na sa 2026 na instead of bi-monthly, we will do weekly. Right? That's why we set up multiple events already na nakalatag na for year 2026. And meron ding by launch. So by launch, it could be same, monthly, quarterly, semi-annual, annual. Right? Two offers to build. Number one, um, customer building offer. Ito yung binabayaran sa amin on a daily basis. And, so number one. Number two, relationship building offer. The customer building offer, this fix your business problem. The OPEX, subscription, tools, salary, commission. The relationship building solves the the business goal mo, like even your lifestyle. Next is conversion. Sorry. Conversion, fulfillment. Tatlo lang po, COD, self checkout, payment terms. COD, obviously, this works for e-commerce. Um, ang problema dito, mataas yung OPEX, mahina yung money in, mabilis yung money out. Sa self-checkout, mabilis yung um, mabilis yung money in, mahina yung money out if you know how to do it well. And I will always choose na mabilis yung money in, mahina yung money out. I do this using credit card, and self-checkout is for people to make payment right away. Once they see my offer, they will make a payment right away. It could be GCash, Shopee Pay, GrabPay, Visa, credit card, debit card. You can use Send It, integrate it with your landing pages, website, or whatsoever. Payment terms, this could be by retention. So you collect money on a monthly basis, on a weekly basis. Dapat may terms, right? So para lang klaro kung how will you collect payment. Unless your business is not collecting money, you don't have a business at all. So kailangan mong unahin to, okay, how will you collect payment from these people? And then sorry, nawala. Third and last is lead flow. Right? Ang goal ng social media is not magpakita ng cleavage. Hindi magpakita ng puwet mo. Hindi magpasikat. The goal of social media is for you to do three things. Number one, build authority. Right? Build authority because by we are a as human beings, we are primal in nature. We follow the authority. Who speaks the truth? Who speaks the context, not just content. Number two, lead generation. Right? It's a lead generation machine na kailangan mong lagyan ng sistema kasi kung wala, everyday ka na nag-upload, right? Everyday ka na nagti-TikTok, like 3 times a day ka pa nag-upload. Pero, pagtingin mo sa CRM mo, bakit walang pumapasok? Kasi, hindi ka nakapag-collect ng name, hindi ka nakapag-collect ng email address, phone number. So kung nawala yung platform na yan, nga ka na naman. Magre-rely ka na naman sa bagong trend na viral para mag-trend jacking ka. Right? So, do lead generation. Always collect data, especially emails. Por Diyos por Santo, it's been there for more than 3 decades. Why are you not doing it? Right? Number 3, wag mo lang silang pakiligin, i-nurture mo din. Right? The goal of your ads and content is just to attract eyeballs. It's never naging goal for you to make money right away. So you need to establish those 3 things so that you can collect money from the people whom you want to serve and whom you want to target. The goal of the ad is to attract eyeballs. The goal is the job of your offer that makes them get their wallet sa pocket and then swipe online. Right? So I hope I was able to literally lay out what you need so that you can collect money fast, you can collect money consistently, predictably in year 2026. Yun lang po, buyers.